Hello, my friends. Welcome to another beginning of a new month. As many of you know, we, Elena and Anna, design a new digital kit for you guys every month, and we absolutely love designing for you guys. And for this month, we wanted to go back to more of the classic vintage and grungy look. You guys are going to love it. This is one of my favorite kits in a while. This is my favorite type of kit as well, that classic vintage look. So let's get into it. If you love paper crafting, card making, scrapbooking, junk journaling, anything like that, and you want this kit, there are two ways to get it. You can subscribe during the month of May 2025, or you can purchase just the kit with no subscriptions on our Etsy, and we will have everything linked in the description of this video. The last thing I want to talk about before showing you the kit is we have some fun resources for you guys. We have tutorials with just some general ideas that you can try if you want some beginner-friendly ideas. We have a Facebook group with a wonderful community and lots of ideas on our other social media platforms. Again, everything is linked in the description of this video. So without further ado, let's get into the kit. Okay, here's the new kit. It is called Urban Essence, and it is beautiful. So many fun, different textures, patterns, colors, and just everything good. So we're going to start off by showing you the papers in this kit, which I love because they have a little bit of like a girly kind of a feel with some floral, along with a little bit of that industrial feel. So you'll see like some buildings and cars mixed into the papers in this kit, and it just makes it really fun with a ton of variety. Next, I really want to show you the envelopes from this kit because these pages are just packed with so many fun things to stuff inside of an envelope, to embellish the outside of the envelope. You can use the pieces on other projects, not even on the envelopes, and it's just packed with goodness. Another beautiful aspect of this kit, in my opinion, is the ephemera. A lot of these are true restored vintage images from all around the world, and they're gorgeous, and they're going to be super fun to find ways to use them in the journal. One fun thing we like to include in our digital printable junk journal kits are these optional pages that you can create a journal with. So this is actually the optional cover. You can cover it, embellish it, leave as is, and then these are the pages that can go inside. And we actually do have a bunch of tutorials using these from our past month kit. We don't always use them in our tutorials, but there are a ton of ideas on how to create a journal using them. Next up in this kit are some pockets of a very big variety. So we have some basic slanted pockets in kind of these two different color schemes, some more pockets you can stuff a lot of stuff in, layered pockets that can be used separately or together. Just a lot of fun. Next up, we have one of my favorite items to create for you guys, and that is the tidbits and fussy cuts, because this is where the detail starts to get added and a lot of creative freedom, and it's just super, super fun. So these are just some really beautiful cutouts to be able to use in your projects. Of course, no kit is complete without a bunch of tags, and these are really fun, and let me tell you why. We created a little bit more of an intricate idea. We're going to make in one of our videos some stacked tags that have just a bunch of gorgeous layers. So these smaller pieces that I'm showing you are meant for that. And then we also have some large, more intricate tags, some pre-designed tags, and of course you can always add your own spin on things as well. Finally, we have some really kind of random, but they're going to be so cute to use within projects. We have a page of words and quotes, just beautiful and fun, a page of tabs that you can use however you like, and then of course this gorgeous page of faux washi tape. I've already used these in a few projects, and let me tell you, they're one of my new favorite things, and I'm super excited for you guys to get your hands on it as well. Anyways, that is a very brief recap of our new kit, Urban Essence. I hope you guys loved it, and I seriously cannot wait for you guys to see some of the magic that we create this month with this kit. Again, if you want this kit, here's some information on that, or of course, I will link everything in the description of this video. I hope you guys have an absolutely wonderful month, and whether you have this kit or not, I hope you enjoy our videos, our tutorials, and our ideas. And that is it. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you next time. Goodbye.